Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to leave a channel on Slack app. So let's get started. So first of all, let's open our Slack app. So guys, once you have entered the app, just choose the channel that you wanna leave. So I'll be choosing this one. So once you choose the channel, click on the hashtag where you can see the channel's details. Just click on it, and over here on the red sign you can see there's an option, leave option. Just click on it, and here you go. You'll be leaving the channel ASAP. So this way you can leave a channel on Slack app. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.